Actiserine is a branded phosphyltidylserine extract, and it is one of the most critical ingredients in the reset formula for overnight cortisol clearance and neural membrane repair. Evening training generates a cortisol spike that persists into your pre-sleep window, blocking melatonin onset and fragmenting slow-wave sleep. Meanwhile, brain phosphyltidylserine declines with age. Degrading the membrane's overnight repair depends on. Phosphyltidylserine modulates HPA axis sensitivity, reducing cortisol output selectively. It replenishes neural membranes, restoring receptor density. At the synapse, it facilitates vesicle fusion for neurotransmitter release, and it activates protein kinase C to encode memories during sleep. Monteleone's crossover trial showed phosphyltidylserine blunted exercise-induced cortisol by 30%, targeting stress spikes without suppressing basal levels. Baumeister's 42-day trial confirmed 300 mg produced EEG-verified stress reduction in the frontal cortex, the largest phosphyltidylserine trial ever. 494 subjects over 6 months showed significant improvements in memory, learning, and daily living tasks at 300 mg per day. Reset delivers 300 mg of Actiserine per serving, the most validated dose in the phosphyltidylserine literature. Take it each evening for overnight cortisol clearance. Inside Reset, Actiserine pairs with Holixer for dual cortisol clearance, glycine to trigger deep sleep once cortisol is cleared, and Avail Ohm DHA to complete the PS-DHA membrane structure. Actiserine delivers selective cortisol blunting backed by 6 clinical trials, a validated 300 mg dose, and dual function recovery in every serving of Reset. Read the full Actiserine deep dive on the Primacy blog. Link in the description.